Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. For this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. Okay, I bought it from it's not AliExpress. It is called Temu. I know if you can read it. There's the here we go. Here it is. Temu. Temu from China. So this package came from China. So this is a competition, and I like this. I like competition because they ship fast. Free shipping, zero shipping. I paid zero. So I'm going to unbox this. I bought yarn as well, but I don't know if they send it in one package. So let's open this and see what's inside. I'm just going to open a little peek. And I bought stuff for organizing things. Oh, there's a box. Okay. Oh, here's the... Oh my goodness. I thought I bought them. I don't know what these are. What is this? Oh, container for the kitchen only. Oh, it's so tiny. Okay, I saw this on Instagram. They were what were they? They were advertising this. This is the reason I went and bought this, because you know, you need containers for the kitchen, and they said it was great quality. So that's the reason I went. And the yarn, I'm not happy with the yarn. It doesn't even have a label. Let me open the yarn. But I wanted to see this. Oh, it's not that good quality. Well, it has that silicone thing, so I can put, you know, things in this. It does smell. Yeah, it's not the best quality. Let's see. I did open my Temu here. So I paid $5.38 for this. No, it's not that good quality. And I believe this was the biggest one. It says 14 ounce. Yeah, for this yarn, I bought two actually, and one arrived. So, is more coming? Okay, this one, I use it for my washer when I wash my laundry. And I would highly recommend this, because I have never knew. Usually you put your stuff in the dryer, right? And then the filter picks up the dirt. But what happens is, in 3 wash, this fills with dirt. And I just empty it and I toss it in the garbage. I have 3 in my washer, so I just bought an extra one, because these break easily if it breaks. Yeah. And AliExpress, they don't sell these anymore. I looked where I bought them, because they do break. When they break, I can replace it. This one is $1.38. Okay, so for the 2, let me just click this. Okay, it looks like, yeah, I'm not happy with this. Okay, it looks like, how much did I pay? Let me just go back. I know the bag makes a terrible noise. So $6.68. So when I mean 2, I mean the helper, the yarn helper. I guess they're counting that. I thought I bought 2. Maybe I bought only 1. So I bought these. Which date did I buy these? I bought these very in short period of time. April the 5th. Today's the 14th. So these came super fast from China. Okay. Yeah, this is not the same yarn that I did an unboxing. This is more like, I don't know, 20-30% Angora Rabbit. So I wouldn't go back and buy from the seller again. No. Yeah, I'm going to stick with AliExpress. Yeah, it's not the same quality. That's what I'm trying to say. But I need to go and buy another one. Or I don't know. The 50 gram, what can you make? Just try to find something what I can make with. But yeah, I would definitely not go back. And this is very expensive. $5 for this container. Come on. Just looking. Because I bought so many things. Only few of them arrived. This is very expensive. Did they send me the wrong? It says 900 and I guess 900 and yeah, there's no label, nothing. No care instruction. Yeah, it's not that good quality. Yeah, let me just put this aside. The yarn, I'm not happy. Okay, everyone needs an eye brush. I noticed after I turned 50, actually 52 just this last 2 years, my eyebrows are getting longer. You need to trim them. Yeah, so I thought this would be perfect. Oh, see, it has a brush. Well, I need to try this out, definitely, right? And then I can trim my eyebrows. So something different. Okay, this one is for the dryer. I bought a brush. So this one, and you put it on your vacuum cleaner and it pulls, but also always there's something in between. So, oh, this is really good quality. Let me just open this from here. For a dryer, for your dryer machine. Oh, they bent it. There's no information. It says made in China. Everything is made in China. Oops, stuck. Electric. It's stuck on my finger. It won't let me go. My goodness. This box. Can I reuse this box? No, I wouldn't. It's not that good quality to ship it with it by itself. You know what I mean? Japanese seal cans, it says. Yeah, 950 milliliter. I thought I bought the biggest one. So, for the yarn, I paid $6.68. For the washer machine, the pink removal catcher filter, it says $1.38. This one is $1.38. And this one is $4.58. Yeah, it's not just going to fix. Well, I'll ask my husband to do it. Or, you know, you just put this and it picks up the dirt, you know, the hair that it's stuck. So that's not expensive and it's pretty good quality. For this one, I paid 89 cents. Can't find this at dollar store either. Yeah, and this one, did I say the price? $1.38. Okay, I really like this, how they wrote it. Quilt bag, but it's plastic. I see it because it doesn't give you the information if it's plastic, so I just grabbed this one. I bought the biggest one and I paid $3.78. Yeah. And these are the measurements, 70 by 50 by 25 centimeter. Okay, let's open this. It's plastic. You can dust it when it gets dusty. So how many items did I receive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm just checking because I still have, this must be half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like they send me the first 6 items. And then I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more coming. Yeah. Let's see when they are coming. I'm not going to make a video for that. I only made a video because of the yarn and I didn't know. So I did receive the yarn and for the storage. Oh, this is pretty big. Oh, wow. And I picked the design with hats, dogs, pets on it. Oh, this is nice. This is really good quality. Yeah, I can feel yarn in here. Okay. It's pretty big. Yeah. Can put a lot of stuff in here. Oh. These are going to go to the kitchen. This is going to go to the bed, laundry room. But think about it. It's pretty big. Yeah. It's pretty big. And the zipper looks like it's good quality. Yeah. But it's plastic. For the price, I guess, $3. Is it worth sitting down and sewing? I don't know. I keep these zippers when, you know, when I buy duvets, blankets. If the plastic rips, I use the plastic, the packaging, and if it rips, I take these zippers off and I can sew myself. But is it worth it? No, to sit down and sew yourself, right? So I think this is a great buy, and I just wanted to share you with this Temu. But the yarn, like I said, it's not the good quality that I don't think it sheds. Yeah. What you can do is you can do a test. To do a test, you put it on your clothes. No, it doesn't shed. But it's really soft. I like the color. The color that I picked is gray. Yeah, but it looks totally different when you check it online. Well, no, it doesn't. It looks like exactly the same. This was $5.99. Yeah, all of their yarn are $5.99. I don't know. I did buy some Notion bags. I might do an unboxing for those to put your stuff, your yarn and stuff in. Because I'm not going to go and buy handmade. Who's charging me $30, $60? I'm sorry. That's too much. Either I would sit down and sew myself, or I would buy it through online like this for a better price, cheaper price. Because what you do is, I just want to show you. See, I have my whip sitting there in a basket. And I have my whips over there sitting in baskets. And I don't want to pay, because for the entire unit I paid $60-something from Amazon, and I don't want to go out and pay, you know, so much money for a little bag to store my yarn. See? So those Notion bags, I'm going to put them up there and then store them for you guys to see. So I hope you like this unboxing, Here's my plants. I just love them. I hope you like this video and learn something. Temu, yeah, Temu.com, Temu.com. And yeah, it's free shipping. Everything is free shipping, which I like. So stay tuned for the project bags to arrive, and I will share you them because we need to put our yarn in, right? And I have my here are my whips. They're on the doorknob waiting for me to nip. I have another whip there. Forgive me about the mess. I try to organize as I go, but sometimes it, this room is this corner is way better than this corner of my room. So I try to organize. That's the reason I bought these organizers, and so I can put them nicely. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.